Bakit ganon? Coach Migs, alam ko naman kung paano magnegosyo, hindi ko magana. Let's talk about the very thing that is required in business. And that is confidence. Okay? Importante po ba ang negosyo? Yes or no? How important? 1 out of 10. Level 10. In fact, without confidence, you cannot start anything. Yes or no? Without confidence, you cannot start a business. Yes or no? Here's the thing. Without confidence, you cannot sustain the business. It takes 3 things if you wanna not just create, but also sustain a business. Ask me what? Faith, hope, and confidence. Alam niyo po ba that it takes more faith to be in business than it takes faith to just work? Ulitin ko. Mas kailangan mo ng pananampalataya kung magnenegosyo ka kesa kung nagtatrabaho ka. Ask me why. Kasi sa trabaho, maganda or hindi, may sahod. Tama? Sa negosyo, kapag pumalpak ka, lugi ka. Yes or no? Sa negosyo, sometimes nagagaranti mo pa ano yung kikitain mo. Diba? Tingnan mo yung katabi mo kung meron bang bagong reband dyan. Nakatanggap ng 13th month yan. Diba? It takes more faith and confidence within yourself to sustain and thrive in business. That's why a lot of people, ang daming nagtatanong, no, bakit ganon? Coach Migs, alam ko naman kung paano magnegosyo, hindi ko magana. Isa lang ang sagot ko. Can I share that with you? Before you even talk about the competencies and the skill sets required to operate your business or to start your business, take a look within yourself first. Because ladies and gentlemen, ang negosyo po ay hindi lamang nakabase sa iyong IQ. I'm gonna be honest and real with you. Business is all about emotional and adversity quotient. Kapag ang emotional at adversity quotient mo mababa, promise ko sa'yo, mahihirapan ka magnegosyo, you might be quitting. Pero, kapag ang emotional at adversity quotient mo mataas, you will be able to thrive in business.